Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to online session. Our today's lesson is metric units of mass. Page number 788. In this page you can see, my dear students, example number 2. Is it more reasonable to say that a rabbit's mass is 3 grams or 3 kilograms? There are two options, 3 grams or 3 kilograms. We can see that 3 grams is too small according to the size of the rabbit. 3 grams is too small, it cannot be possible. 3 kilograms is a reasonable estimate, so we can say that 3 kilogram is the more reasonable estimate for the rabbit. Now we are coming to the exercise. Circle the more reasonable estimate for each masses. Number 1, you can see it is a cap. Two options are given, 25 grams, 25 kilograms. Cap is a small size, 25 kilograms cannot be possible. Appropriate answer is 25 grams. We will circle it. Next number is number 2. See the picture, it is a beer. Two answers are given, we have to select the correct one. 450 grams and 450 kilograms. The correct answer is 450 kilograms. We will circle this answer because beer is a big, 450 grams is very small, it cannot be possible. Now my dear students, we have number 3 in page number 789. The same question, circle the more reasonable estimate for each masses. Number 3, you can see the picture. Two possibilities are there, 8 grams, 8 kilograms. So we will circle 8 grams. This is the correct for this figure. Number 4, carry-ons. This is the carry-ons for coloring, pack of 24. Two answers are given, 100 grams, 100 kilograms. 100 kilogram is a very large quantity, measurement for the very large quantity. Carry-ons are very light in weight. We will select 100 grams and circle that. Number 5, you can see is a big box containing water bottles and some things and some other things more. They are telling that 25 grams or 25 kilograms. It is a large box having lot of things and water bottles. 25 kilograms is the best choice for this question number 5. In number 6, it is a ball. Two options are given, 20 grams, 20 kilograms. We will circle 20 grams. Question number 7, it is a metallic tool box. It is a metallic box containing different type of tools, hammers and many things are there. They are asking that it is 30 grams or 30 kilograms. It is a metallic box, heavy weight, and all the tools are also heavy weight. We will circle 30 kilograms. Next is number 8. You can see the picture. It is a table. It is a large size table, 50 grams. Another option is 50 kilograms. We will circle 50 kilograms. In number 9, they have given some objects and they are telling that they tell the estimates of their measurement. Glue bottle, it is about 20 grams, maybe 20 grams or 30 grams. Estimate means near about, not an exact. Some bottle may be 20 grams, some bottle may be 3 grams. Paper clip, it is very light in weight, 1 gram. Pencil, about 20 grams. Stapler, it is approximately 200 grams or 300 grams. You can write 200 grams or 300 grams. It is approximately about a stapler. Now in homework, my dear students, we have the same question. Circle the more reasonable estimate for each mass. Page number 791. This is your homework. In question number 1, there is a school bus. Two possibilities are there: 1500 grams and 1500 kilograms. You have to select the correct one. Next is number 2. There is a ball, a small size ball, 5 grams, 5 kilograms. You have to decide which one is correct answer for this ball. Number 3, it is a chocolate, 3 grams, 3 kilograms. You have to circle the correct answer for this one. Number 4, a dog. Two options are given. First option is 14 grams. Second option is 14 kilograms. You have to circle what is the best possible. Thank you very much, my dear student. Thank you for your understanding the lesson. Take care. See you in the next lesson.